Hello. My name is Carly, and I'm back with a tutorial about prompting for vivid color schemes in your AI art. I'll show you 70 full-screen examples of several vivid color styles. You'll get a good feeling for amazing colors that may be obtained with standard art industry aesthetics. Some of the images in this video obtained from simple, vivid styles are almost unbelievable. Let's start with a very simple method to obtain vivid colors, which is by using one of three basic color styles in your prompt. These styles are neon, vibrant, and vivid. When using a one-word color style in your prompt, be sure to follow the color name with the word aesthetic, as you see I have done here. Using the word aesthetic, rather than a prompt with the phrase neon colors, will help ensure the AI simply influences color choices, rather than overwhelming the entire image with vivid colors. We'll begin by demonstrating the neon color style. Neon colors. Neon colors are fluorescent hues that are extraordinarily bright and bold. They are often used to create a sense of excitement or energy, or to imply a cutting-edge style. Vibrant colors. Vibrant colors are highly saturated colors, but lack the fluorescent glow of neon. They are often used for creating a sense of warmth, depth of composition, or artistic richness. Vivid colors. The term vivid in this style refers to both the purity and clarity of colors, rather than the brightness of the colors alone. Vivid colors encompass a wide range of saturated and intense colors, including the range of both neon color hues and vibrant color hues. Vivid color styles are often used to create visually striking images and more memorable compositions. For the remainder of the video, I will showcase 8 industry art aesthetics and styles that embrace vivid colors. For each industry style, I will use 4 basic prompts, allowing us to review how styles influence both organic and inorganic subjects. The subjects for the prompts will be persons, animals, backgrounds, and race cars. I chose race cars as a subject for which the AI might use color to imply action and energy. As I review the example images, notice which one of the 3 basic color styles, neon, vibrant, or vivid, is represented in the image. All images are produced in Midjourney version 5.2. Let's begin. Acid Pixie. As we saw in a prior video, the acid pixie aesthetic is a subculture that emphasizes bright colors, psychedelic patterns, and a sense of otherworldly magic. It is often associated with the early 1990s, the rave culture, and is inspired by artists such as Alex Grey and Robert Venessa. Common elements of the acid pixie aesthetic include neon or bright colors, especially pink, purple, and green. It may include otherworldly imagery, such as mushrooms, fairies, and other magical creatures, which are popular motifs. You often get a sense of whimsy and wonder since the aesthetic is associated with a playful and curious spirit. Bubblegum. Embracing a sense of whimsy and nostalgia, the bubblegum aesthetic captures the essence of light-hearted pop culture from the mid to late 20th century. It's not just a visual style, it's an attitude, expressing optimism and a carefree spirit, harking back to simpler, more innocent times. The bubblegum aesthetic often includes a color palette dominated by pastel shades, particularly pinks, blues, and purples, creating a colorful and inviting look. It includes elements that evoke bubblegum pop culture, with motifs such as candy, balloons, and other sugary sweet icons. The aesthetic often produces a glossy finish to objects and surfaces, giving the impression of shiny plastics or the gleam of fresh bubblegum. Glitch. Glitch art is a type of digital art that uses digital or analog errors for aesthetic purposes. Visual glitches are often caused by software bugs or hardware failures. But in art, glitches are created intentionally by artists or designers. Visuals for glitch aesthetics include pixelation, where the image is broken down into individual pixels or dots, creating a distorted or choppy effect. Color distortion is often present, where the colors in the image have been shifted or changed, sometimes creating a psychedelic or surreal effect. And finally, fragmentation can also be part of the image. This is where the original prompted image appears to have been separated into different pieces, then arranged, or layered to create a new image. Hey, before your internet connection has its next glitch, it is a great time to subscribe to my channel. Glowwave. The Glowwave aesthetic is characterized by vibrant, neon-drenched visuals that combine elements of 80s retro style with futuristic concepts. It's part of a broader category of aesthetics that plays with bright, glowing colors and a sense of advanced technology seen through a nostalgic lens. This style often includes the following: neon glows and bright, saturated colors. Retro-futuristic themes, blending past and future. Synthwave or vaporwave-inspired elements. Holographic and digital motifs. Dreamlike, ethereal qualities. And cityscapes and landscapes with a type of cyberpunk vibe. Low poly. The low poly art aesthetic is defined by a minimalist approach, where images are composed of a reduced number of polygons. The visual characteristics of this aesthetic include the following: geometric simplicity. The artwork is made up of flat, geometric shapes. Faceted appearance. Due to the limited number of polygons, objects have a faceted look, similar to a cut gemstone. Vibrant colors. Each polygonal facet can be a different color, creating a mosaic of vibrant hues that can be both realistic and fantastically chromatic. And a digital feel. This aesthetic often has an expressly digital feel to it, harking back to the early days of 3D computer graphics when computer rendering capabilities were limited. Pixelscape. The Pixelscape art aesthetic is a creative style that blends pixel art with landscape imagery. As in low poly, this aesthetic also represents early digital rendering days, creating scenes that feel nostalgic. It draws inspiration from the visual language of early computer and console video games, which had a limited number of pixels to represent environments due to hardware constraints. The visual characteristics of the Pixelscape aesthetic often include the following: pixel grids. Every pixel detail is rendered as though it is part of a grid, where larger square pixels are the basic unit of a visual composition. Limited colors. Colors were limited to those available on early gaming systems, which had restricted color palettes. We note that, though limited, the colors were often more vibrant, as in those early gaming systems. Tropical. The tropical art aesthetic refers to creative works that draw inspiration from the vivid colors, abundant textures, and organic shapes found in tropical environments. Visually, tropical art is characterized by a lively color palette consisting of saturated, sun-drenched hues like turquoise, emerald, fuchsia, sunflower yellow, and tangerine. The tropical palette represents radiant colors found in tropical flora, fauna, and ocean reefs. Overall, the tropical aesthetic captures the vibrant energy and abundant diversity of life found in tropical nature. It provides a sense of escapism and adventure, with an undertone of vibrancy and playfulness. Vaporwave. The Vaporwave art aesthetic is a visual and cultural movement that emerged in the early 2010s, drawing from 1980s and 1990s nostalgia, internet culture, and consumer capitalism critiques. Its visuals are a collage of retro elements and cyberpunk influences. The color palette is dominated by pastels and a neon glow. Vaporwave commonly employs pinks, purples, and teals, reminiscent of sunset gradients and the glow of old computer screens. Imagery may include a mix of 80s and 90s advertising material, classical sculptures, tropical palm trees, and consumer electronics of the era. There is a dreamlike quality to Vaporwave art, where proportions and perspectives are often skewed. Thank you for reviewing vivid color strategies with me. I wish you the best in achieving the vivid color schemes you desire in your AI art. Give us a like if this video provided good insights for you or if it was just entertaining. Thank you for your support and interest. See you soon. Bye bye.